Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today the star of the show is chicken thighs. Not just any chicken thighs. We're going to season them. We're going to fill them with some cheese. We're going to wrap them with some bacon. Out to the BBQ sauce. Make them nice and sticky and tasty. You're going to love them. Let's get to the prep work. My chicken thighs are laid out on the pan, all ready for seasoning. I'm going to be using a rub, different rubs, different seasonings. This particular rub, which you'll find common in rubs, always has sugar, paprika, and salt. Those are kind of the bases for the beginnings of a good rub. And then after that, you can find all sorts of different items, garlic and onion, dried garlic, etc. You want to put a liberal amount on here. Season it the way you like. And you can stuff it with many different items. Get creative. I'm going to be using some Monterey Jack jalapeno cheese. About 2 inches long. We'll roll those up in our breasts. Sometimes I like to put real jalapenos in here and some cheese. You can put vegetables. Get creative. Finish putting the cheese in these, and then we'll get to the bacon. When you're wrapping your chicken thigh, you want to try and hide that little piece of cheese in there. So we'll start out our bacon covering the end, and then just continue to wrap it up. You have to maneuver them a bit and try and cover the cheese best you can. That'll hold all the goodness in. So you can see I've covered these ones nicely. Just play around with them a bit and cover up the ends. Let's get out to the grill. Barbecue set, 425 is my internal temperature. This side is off, this side is on. Indirect cooking. I've got a pan under here for the drippings. Let's get the chicken on. We've reached our temperature, 165. Time to take them off. That was another simple and delicious recipe. And now I get to try the goods. It looks so juicy when I'm cutting through it. Oh. And it is tender. I mean, how can you beat that trio? Smoky bacon, cheese, and chicken. It's a beautiful combo. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a chance to try it out with your friends and family. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Hit the red button, hit subscribe, and every Monday when I put out a new video, you'll be notified. Well, thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.